Hi guys, good morning. So we agreed yesterday for my recap that price will most likely reach this level, right? Before maybe possibly going up or doing like a reversal. So this might be the lower week on the weekly. So see how this candle closed, right? It collected a lot of orders and it closed the way it did. This one wicked up, respecting the high of the previous candle, right? And broke the low, right? And dropped down, leaving a wick to the downside. And there were clean candles to be mirrored, right? So today's trading was very easy, where the current daily candle wicked up again, respecting the high, and began to flip bearish to fill this week, Does it make sense? Right. So entries could have been taken from here to fill the week to the downside here, right? Knowing that our ultimate target is here, right? Okay. So having the understanding that today we were bearish, we go to the 4-hour, and this is our trading candle. This candle is our trading candle. This current candle now is our trading candle. This current candle, because we trade the 6 a.m. candle. This is where we are targeting, right? So now understand this. This from the 4-hour. Price made a high, made a low, made a lower high, made another low. So you want this current candle to be the candle that makes a low, for price to make another high, but a lower high, and keep dropping. Do you understand? So that's how price is moves in a downtrend, right? Remember this. This is a high. This is another high, but this second high is lower than this previous high, right? This low is lower than the next low. Do you understand? So it shows that we're in a downtrend. You want to be selling at these highs that were made, right? Okay. So having that understanding that on the daily and on the 4-hour, we know what we were expecting. Now, how do we capitalize? On the lower time frames, how do we capitalize? Right? So I missed the first entry, but but I got the second one, right? So now price has made a low, right? It went up, it made a higher low in terms of, it made the lower high. Sorry, this is a high, but this high is lower than the previous high. Now it made another low, right? It went up, it made a high, but this high is lower than this other high. Now it's going down to make another low. It has made the low now. It will come up to make another high, but that high will be lower than these two highs. And we keep doing that. Do you understand? That is how price moves in a downtrend. So you want to be selling at these levels, right? Now, when this happened, this was just perfect, right? So price made a low. We're just waiting for resistance. That's what we're waiting for. And the resistance came because, see this way, right? First candle was strong bullish. Second candle was strong bullish. Third candle was strong bullish. But look at how this candle closed. Weak bullish. And it closed where? Around here. Look at candles reacted here. Candles reacted here. This other candle reacted here. This same candle is trying to react there now. And it closed small bullish. The next candle closed bearish, telling us that there's a resistance created now. This is the 1 hour. And there are clean candles to be mirrored while coming down. This was the entry candle. This was the entry candle to fill this range. Does it make sense? Now, I missed this trade, but then because one candle does not signify or does not mean the whole trade, right? So on the 30-minute, right? On the 30-minute, I took this trade. That's the second entry, because these opportunities are like buses, right? So we know the resistance was created here. This was our confirmation candle, closing bearish below this small support here. This next candle wicked up. As soon as it started breaking the low of the previous candle, entries would have been taken here to flush down, right? Beautiful. But then that trade was missed. But then now see something, right? So there was a minor resistance created here before. This candle closed below that level. Now, look at how this candle closed strong bearish, right? This next candle closed weak bullish. And remember, if you go to the channel and watch our pattern recognition videos, you see where we identified this pattern so much, right? Now, this next candle closed weak bullish after a very strong candle. So this still doesn't signify that there's a change of trend, right? So as soon as this next candle wicked up, respecting the high of the previous candle and began to break the low, entries we are taking to fill this week and possibly to continue down. And that was what we did, right? So we just took a trade. We took a sell at the break of this low, and this was London Open, so volume was expected to come in as well, right? Keeping our stop loss above this high. Our TP was the 4-hour level. This 4-hour level, we had our TP here, although it was overly ambitious, but yeah, we had our TP here, right? Because we felt that the next low would just, yeah. So this is it. This was the trade. So do you see how we were able to take the buyers from the daily? We went all the way down to the 4-hour, the 1 hour, the 30 minutes, and executed in line with the daily trend, right? With the higher time frame trend. So that's what you want to be doing. You'll be right more than you are wrong, right? So I hope that this was meaningful, this was useful. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we keep providing you with more updates like this and more content, useful content. So see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe.